don't want to walk up with like a... Shit. Whose are those?
Anthony's.
Oh, you bought them?
No.
You bought them. Are they the 9s?
They're all of them.
Oh, you bought the... Oh, so you were the one that bought the whole set. Okay, sick.
Bought it telling Patrick.
Really?
He would have just told you. Look at that!
So it's the 838 and then the 40...
9 plus 45.
45, yeah.
Yeah.
Let me test mine too.
Woo! So, thank you. Wow. Well, pulled the Michael and got wheels I do not need. Thank you, Anthony, for selling me these Model 5s, and thank you, Jarrell, for driving these down for me. More wheels for the IS300. It's gonna look so good.
Pretty much, if you watched the last video that we made, check it out. He'll put the link somewhere, or he'll thumbnail it. But I was running 3 spacers in between the coil and the knuckle, technically, for like camber, and this gave me like 2. So this gave me 2.
So 3 washers gave you 2.
Yeah. So if I put 2 more plus the plate on top, I think I'd be sitting around 6, maybe 7.
Oh.
But I have a lot of washers, so I could put 6 on there, possibly touch 8. Yeah, they do.
Oh! That was sick! This might have a lot of negative camber now. Let's go!
Yeah, that's clearing all day. It might. I think it is. The other side I don't think was rubbing, and that seems about correct. Where it was at.
You want to start and turn it, or?
The thing is that if we turn it, I'm pretty sure it's already just gonna sit on it.
Oh, you're good! That's way better than before. Especially the other side. No, the other side, like the side that rubbed, it was way better than, it's way looser than that one.
Oh,
that's good!
Yeah. Oh, sick. Okay, cool. Alright. Five.
So you just added 2 more?
I added 2 spacers, so that's probably a degree.
Yeah, so...
Probably a degree.
Yeah, probably.
Because I think they did say spacer is 0.5 a degree, so 2 spacers is a degree.
Let's go! Sick.
I think I might be sitting at 6 in the front now.
Yeah, possibly.
Oh, yeah, that's good.
Yeah, so you save $75 not getting more adapters.
Yeah, then I'll just wait for Casey or someone.
For the ring, or the whole conversion.
That was crazy.
That's it.
Watch when we start driving. I'll be pissed. Nah, I wouldn't be pissed.
Just other side and that's it, right? For you?
Yeah, but I'm about to just test fit everything.
Oh yeah, yeah, well, yeah.
Now that we have this, I have it dialed up.
Dang.
Yeah, that.
Yeah, now you can run the Just 10 spec.
Yeah, we're not the Jules 10 Just 10 spec.
And then when we go on track, we could all just, if we run out,
it's like, yo,
let me get some.
Well, my rears are limited.
Oh yeah, you're never running out in the fronts.
Yeah, no,
fronts are all day.
It's my rears.
Yeah, never mind. You don't need. There won't be a day where you will need our fronts. What is that? 17 by 9 plus 11?
17 by 9 plus 35, but I put there's a.
No, it's 33.
Oh, 33?
Yeah.
Oh, these are more aggressive then.
33 minus 14 is what? Quick math.
19. But 20 mil, -1.
Huh?
There's a 20 mil adapter.
Holy
so
shit!
That's -1 on a 215/45.
What?
So if I had a 205/40 on that, that works.
You don't need the 205/40. That should
No.
look good by itself.
But I'm saying that works. That will work. If I wanted to drop it lower too.
No, that's good.
This is what I
And
want
if you
to
had
see.
the full conversion,
Yeah.
you could go like
Then I could
5-inch lips.
I could probably do Justin's like good spec.
Yeah. Oh yeah, his spec's aggressive.
Sevens?
Yeah.
I'll do those.
You could do Jarrell spec.
I'm not 18. That looks crazy.
Your mom.
Oh shit.
Watch your dick. It's probably hard. Yeah,
Dude, 85 is the
you're
best
hard.
focal length.
You're for sure hard.
Just
You're for sure.
85 is really the best focal length ever.